Hello friends, welcome to my video and I hope you all guys fine, fit and healthy. And I Lakshmi, welcome back to my video. And in today's video I am going to telling you what I am doing in these days to improving my English. So friends, without any further delay, let's get start video. Friends, in these days I am focusing on my English language and I am focusing to improve my English language because it's a necessary for me to improving this language. Friends, in these days I am following few things. I working upon 4 skills. There are 4 skills in English language: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Friends, in these days I am focusing 4 skills in English, and these days I am listening daily. I am listening daily English content on YouTube. I listen English speeches. I listen English conversation videos, and these videos help me a lot to improving my English, and I'll suggest you to you also, and you can watch these videos on YouTube to improve your English. And friends, in these days I am focusing my reading skills. I daily I read English at least 1 hour. At least 1 hour daily I read English books and English story books daily. It's my daily routine. And whenever I get some free time, I try to write in English my daily routine. And someday I skip, but I follow daily to write in English. And friends, I'm telling you, these steps help me a lot to improving my English. And friends, if you really want to be fluent English speaker, then you'll have to start speaking in this language. Okay friends, you have to start speaking this language, because you don't start this language, you only listen, you only read, then you won't be able to speak this language. If you really want to speak this language, then you'll have to speak. Okay, because speaking comes to speaking. Okay friends, so friends, my daily routine I am working on it. There 4 skills I daily working on it, and it's helped me a lot to improving my English. So friends, I am a beginning level and I just start speaking in this language, and I do so many mistakes. I make so many mistakes while I am speaking in learning, but mistakes is a natural, and we have to learn our mistakes, and we don't have to afraid your mistakes while speaking in English, because mistakes is natural. If you learn anything else, you'll have to make mistakes. So friends, give me some suggestions to improve my English through your comments. So friends, that's all about the video. And if you not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. And we will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.